putting some oil treatment in my mommy and my hair. I know you saw my channel, Summer's Diaries. I hope you like
Anyways,
Mommy's channel.
we're gonna do a hot oil treatment today. It's totally safe for kids because it's not hot. It's basically gonna be lukewarm, and it's gonna get all these dry strands. Mommy has a lot of them. Summer only has a tiny bit of dry strands.
No, I have more than a tiny bit.
No, you don't. Your hair is super in good condition.
No.
This is the products that we're going to be using: coconut oil, Jamaican castor oil, grapeseed oil. Normally I use olive oil as well, but I don't have it right now, so this is what we're going to use. Now I'm going to go ahead with the grapeseed oil first. And to be honest, it's better if you have a funnel to put it directly into the container. This is a 450 milliliter container that pretty much, it's like pretty huge. You can see it's really too big. Now we're gonna go in with the Jamaican castor oil. This is a pretty thick oil, so you don't need a lot. I would say the measurements are contingent upon how much hair you have, you know, how thick it is, how long it is, all that jazz. I'm going to use a good amount because my hair is pretty thick, and then we're going to put some on Summer's hair too. Last but certainly not least, we're going to go ahead with our coconut oil. Make sure that this is unrefined coconut oil. And since it's solidified in its state, it's solid, I'm going to scrape it into here, and then we're going to heat it up. Okay guys, so Summer's hair, head on it.
What?
Is a little dry. We're going to fix that. We're going to put it, it's a hot oil treatment, but the oil's not hot. I tested it on my skin already to make sure that it wouldn't be hot for her. And she's tender-headed, so if you hear her screaming, you know why.
Ouch! That hurts, Mama.
Oh gosh, here we go. So here is the dispenser with the oil in it. I'm literally just going in her hair and scalp down.
And guys, don't listen to my mommy. She said I tender headache.
You are tender-headed.
Stop hurting me.
Summer, stop.
That's making my eye red.
So she doesn't have that much hair. She's Goldilocks, so this will go by pretty quickly.
Do not listen to my mommy. She is called Goldilocks.
How does it feel with the oil in your hair? Do you feel it?
No, I feel nothing. I feel like my regular self.
Okay, good.
And I just got some new earrings. So irresponsible could no one know.
Also easier if you want to just pour the liquid in your hand.
And also put it in your children's hair.
No, this is going to be thick.
Ouchie!
You're fine.
I look like a girl.
You look like a girl, you are a girl. Move your hand.
Oh yeah, and definitely together the hot oil or treatment.
Here, show them your hair. So as you can see, her hair is definitely really getting shiny. for her treatment, we're only gonna leave it in for about an hour. For mine, so I'm gonna leave it in overnight. My hair is really dry.
My hair always dry, everybody. So comment down below. Whose hair is drier? Mine or Monty? Well, here's the question of the day. Who is from San Francisco? Nobody from
Give
San
you a little
Francisco.
massage with the oil. So
Ah,
it feels so good.
I feel so busy. Cause you did.
Now I'm just saturating her hair.
And she also gets.
Rub it on her edges because then she gotta have flicky edges.
Flicky.
Flicky.
Okay.
Someone did it.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna put the camera on her hair so you guys can see what it looks like. I need some more for the ends though. Because the ends are like.
I don't want to go to school in the ghetto, everybody.
My hands are really oily. I'm trying to transfer that
My
oil.
hands are oily too.
And honestly, the ends probably need the most oil because they're the most damaged. So make sure that you're doing that.
Oh yeah, comfortable. Oh, she don't got the yummy, 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 yummy. Oopie.
And to
Here come the part I do not never like.
yeah, no, you hate getting your hair brushed.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna brush it lightly. I just want to try to get this oil distributed.
My hair? You said you were gonna wet my hair.
No, I don't need to.
So we brought towels for no reason.
No, we put the towels so the oil didn't get your clothes. So I have to let it sit. And there's water in this brush. Does it hurt?
No, not at all. Only if you scrape my nails open. Peace, 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 peace. Oh, she. Oh, I just took a tea. Yummy, 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 yum. Oh, she no got that yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, she no got that yummy, 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 yummy.
What did you just do?
It's nothing. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Don't put that in.
And a unicorn, y'all. Look. And a unicorn. And a unicorn, not a horse anymore. And a unicorn, not a horse anymore. Everyone, and a unicorn, not a horse. Everyone wants my delicious cupcakes.
Okay.
Rapunzel.
Come a tiny bit closer. I want them to see your hair. So this is what her hair looks like with the treatment in. I'm gonna put a tiny bit more in. Nothing too crazy.
But my mommy is never crazy. She's always nice and kind to other people.
Mhm. Sure is, girl. Don't forget, I got the brush. You get knocked out real quick. I want to get them edges. though.
Comment down below who is the best president of the United States, Donald Trump
Girl, don't even
or
start.
Abraham Lincoln.
What?
We call him Abraham Lincoln for short.
No, we don't. I don't know who we is, but don't speak for me. Thanks.
It's Abraham Lincoln. What's his name? Ham.
Your hair is already so much smoother to comb.
Ow.
Well, that's,
Add some water in my hair, please.
you don't need water because it's oil.
Which oil, girlfriend? It oil.
So we're gonna put it in a little bun,
Ah.
just for it to sit, and
It's in.
head down so I can see. Super cute.
It looks like pottery, and I also got my feet and nails done. Pottery.
Head down. So this is what it looks like with the oil in her hair. Super cute.
Am I gonna have to wear a bonnet tonight?
Probably.
That body. Oshinokata yummy, yummy. And it's time for my mama turn. Peace out.
Really mad. So I separate my hair in 4 sections. That's the best way to do it because you want to make sure it's like OD saturated. And obviously I don't need a comb because I could care less about how it looks. I'm more so doing this to separate the hair. Then you want to comb it or brush it, whatever, to tangle it essentially. And also, I forgot to mention, both our hair was already washed. We washed our hair, so you want to do this on fresh hair because it's really hard. It's just harder to get it out if it's crappy hair, if it's dirty hair. Like oil and dirt don't mix, so you don't want to have dirty hair. This is also really good if you have dandruff. I get dandruff, my hair gets dry. So that helps. I've been doing hot oil treatments for the past 3 months now, in between my wigs and weaves and stuff, and I can tell the difference immediately. So I'm gonna go in with this oil again. I'm literally just gonna saturate my hands. You can put it in a dispenser if you want, but I kind of am trying to get this done quickly because we have to do homework with her. So I'm literally just saturating it. I'm separating my hair, working into the roots as well as the ends. The ends are probably the most important part because that's probably the part of your hair that's the most damaged. And as you're doing this, I like to comb through it or brush through it because it'll work the oil in way better. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is really shiny. It gets really shiny as you start working it in, and you're going to feel the difference immediately when you're brushing it with the oil in. It's going to feel really silky. It's going to feel a little heavy, I'm not going to lie, but it's going to feel heavy. but it's gonna feel like silky. If that makes my hair to grow back or grow longer, whatever. Yeah, I just grow longer or stronger. This is actually my damaged hair. This hair is mad damaged on the side. Well, the front of my hair is damaged, period. I'm straightening it once though. Alright guys,